You are working on a Canva presentation and the background looks good on one slide, but every other slide looks different. This breaks the flow and makes the design feel messy. That is the exact problem being fixed today. By the end of this guide, every slide will share the same clean background and the whole design will feel intentional and professional. This feature works only if a Canva paid plan is active. Any Canva Pro or other paid plan gives access to this option. Free plans do not show the same control, so if the option does not appear, this is usually the reason. Start by opening the presentation inside Canva. Stay in the main editing view where all slides are visible on the side or bottom. Before touching anything else, decide which slide already has the perfect background. This could be the color, a gradient, or even a texture. This slide becomes the example for all the others, so make sure it looks exactly right. Now, move to the bottom right area of the Canva editor and open the grid view. This view shows all slides at once and makes bulk changes possible. Without grid view, the option will not appear, so this step matters more than people expect. In the grid view, find a slide with the background you want. Right-click directly on that slide. A menu appears. Now, choose the option called Copy Page Style. This does not copy text or photos. It copies design styling such as background color, background images, and layout styling. This is why the result looks clean instead of cluttered. Next, select all slides. Simply click on the Select All option in the toolbar above and Canva is going to highlight all slides in your presentation. If even one slide is missed, it will keep the old background, so double check the selection. With all slides selected, right-click again. This time choose Paste Page Style. Canva now applies the copied background style to every slide at once. The change is instant and the entire presentation updates together. If something looks off, undo the action and adjust the original slide. Then repeat the same steps. This workflow saves time because only one slide needs fixing, not 20. Some backgrounds include images that stretch or crop differently. That happens because slide content varies. The background itself stays consistent, but spacing can change. Simple colors or soft gradients usually work best for large presentations. Once this is done, scroll through the slides quickly. Notice how the presentation feels calmer and more professional. The viewer focuses on the message instead of random visual changes. This single feature gives control over design consistency and saves hours of manual work. With a Canva paid plan and the right steps, applying a background to all slides become fast, repeatable, and reliable. The presentation now looks finished, balanced, and ready to share.